Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens over the next 72 hours. But the trick to all this is you have to believe in your heart that what I'm about to tell you is your truth. It's a conviction and deep-seated belief. Because you and I, we're living in the matrix. This is a sacred simulation. And all the results you want are tapped into a different reality. They're just on a different timeline. And if I can help you get to that other timeline, things are going to start to manifest like crazy. Now, before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you throw a like on this video because you're going to claim the energy that we're about to say out loud. And bookmark this video somewhere so you can come back to this video and let us know the amazing miracles, blessings, and infinite money flow that start to happen. And watch the full video because at the very end, we are fully activating everything at once. Are you ready for this? Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here in this moment. Because remember, when it comes to manifesting, there's no past, there's no future, there's an eternal now moment at a higher dimension, and that's it. Now repeat exactly after me. I live in a sacred simulation. And I bend reality with my thoughts. This is a holographic universe. And I remember who I truly am. This matrix responds to my vibration. And the unseen creates the seen. I shift timelines with total ease. And I am an implementer, not just a knower. And I am the source code in human form. I awaken from this illusion. My energy is my true currency. I now manifest with total ease. And a miracle is about to happen in my life. This month was my biggest leap ever. Now, before we go into the rest of this, comment the words below to solidify what we've done so far. I shift my reality with ease. Comment below, I shift my reality with ease. Because what you and I are doing right now is implementing the knowledge. We're shifting our paradigm. We're becoming the frequency. Rather than just knowing and learning more knowledge on law of attraction, you are becoming the idea. So you're now shifting realities with ease. Comment that below. And before we go into part 2, share this with somebody who also could use a reality bend as well. Because the more we help others unlock themselves from this matrix illusion, the more you and I and the whole world are going to elevate the consciousness. And the better this world will be and the faster you're going to get results. Now let's go into part 2 and watch all the way through the end because it's going to be the most important activator of everything we've done so far. Before we do, check out my step-by-step manifestation course right here. Most people are struggling in manifesting because they have so much down, they have no idea how to apply all this material. That's why I created the Manifestation Accelerator course. It's a proven model to help you step-by-step on a daily basis what to do, how to do it to manifest your best results ever. Click the link in the description below. 2,500 clients have won through this exact system. We'll start your transformation today. I'll see you on the inside. Okay, are you ready for part 2? Take another deep breath in, deep breath out. Be right here in this eternal moment. And now repeat exactly after me for the final part 2. The matrix code has now been rewritten. And so money in abundance find me effortlessly. Wow, something amazing just happened in my life. A miracle just manifested in unexpectedly. My whole aura is now prosperity code. And I am now the signal that attracts abundance and prosperity. Reality has rearranged itself into my desires. And the fabric of reality is favoring my truth. This sacred simulation is opening a brand new path. And time now bends to my consciousness. Every moment is a new portal for me. I don't chase outcomes. I upload realities. And the quantum field is answering all of my prayers. And so it is. And to solidify all of part 2, comment below, the sacred simulation is shifting in my favor. The sacred simulation is shifting in my favor. And I encourage you to come back to this video one time every day and redo all part 1 and part 2. Because videos like this are actually becoming, you're changing your identity and self-image literally right now, rather than just binging more knowledge. And therefore, results come from implementation and inspired action. Again, share the love, throw a like on this if you haven't already, and share this with somebody who needs to bend their reality. I'll see you inside my course, the Manifestation Accelerator, so you and I can begin to shift your reality to a desired timeline even faster.